be forgiven for thinking that this is Cape Town, because this weather is overcast, it's rainy and it's windy. Definitely not the Durban that we're used to seeing. But nonetheless, Leanne, you did allude to the fact that schools are closing next week, and we will see a flock of parents and mothers and children coming to the coast areas such as Durban. We're going to see a sea of activity here, as Durban is always a hive of activity come the festive season. Now, with me now is eThekwini Mayor, Councillor James Nxumalo, to talk to us more about the plan, about, whoops, and there goes the umbrella. So that's exactly what I'm talking to you about today. Tourism, how you make the best of a situation such as this. Mr. Mayor, a huge pleasure to have you with us.
Good morning, and good morning to the listeners.
And I do apologize for bringing the bad weather. Every time I come to KZN, it seems that this weather kind of follows me around.
Definitely, this is not the Durban weather.
It's not the Durban weather, but still people are all around us. Some are jogging, some are riding their bikes. I can see just behind us there's a skater park. How have you made the most of the space in Durban to optimize the tourism experience for South Africans and international visitors?
Well, let me say that we are ready to welcome all the visitors who will be coming to Durban during the festive season. As you know, that during this time of the year, most of the people, not only in South Africa, but globally, they want to come to Durban to spend holidays with their families. But we have injected a lot of money, especially to protect our public spaces. As you can see here at the promenade, we have invested more than 100 million rand so that our people and our visitors can actually enjoy our public spaces with their children, with their families and friends. And therefore, I think that people will be enjoying themselves, and welcome all of them to Durban.
And I can see there's something for everybody here. So right from the little ones to the teenagers and even the adults. But I want to find out from you, Mr. Mayor, how have you factored in safety issues, issues of crime? Will South Africans be safe coming to Durban? Can you tell them that you've done all that you can?
Well, I want to ensure everybody that they will be safe. Every 5 minutes, they will be meeting a policeman or a policewoman. There has been a number of meetings with the police, the SAPS, the Metropolis, and all other enforcement agencies to ensure that during the festive season, people will be safe when they are coming to Durban. And I want to ensure them that, they must come to Durban, and therefore they will be safe.
And the issue of road fatalities, we know it's almost synonymous with this time of year. KZN also putting high figures in terms of the death toll on the roads. Have you put mechanisms in place to try and minimize the fatalities on the road?
Well, this is our concern as well as the city of Durban and the province of KwaZulu-Natal, because recently we have been experiencing accidents. Just last week alone, we have lost about 14 people in a car accident in the south of Durban. So therefore, I think that the message that we want to communicate with the people is the message of our government to say that, please, people, don't drink and drive. And please make sure that when you are driving, when you're experiencing some kind of a fatigue, I think you have to step out a bit, relax, and take what you call 5-10 minutes or 20 minutes and continue with your journey. Because the problem is that some people drive even if they feel that they are tired, and therefore they experience accident. But the other one is, the major problem is when people are driving while they are under influence of alcohol, which is a major problem as well.
Now, the die-hard surfing fans are still out there. I mean, I can see a few people swimming and surfing even in this weather. So definitely the beach is a popular place when you come here to Durban. But tell us a bit more about the safety plans when we see such large numbers of people flocking to Durban.
Yes, we have our lifeguards, our lifesavers, who will be making sure that they will be working 24 hours to ensure that when people are enjoying themselves to swim, they must be safe and be protected. Because we are no longer experiencing any drowning in Durban, unlike which is like 10 years ago, where we used to experience such accident. Now, for instance, in the past few years, we haven't experienced any drowning. So therefore, I think we're doing very well. But I want to say that people will be safe, they will be enjoying themselves, they must come and swim in our beaches, and therefore we'll make sure that our lifeguards are deployed all over in the city to make sure that people are safe.
Durban has become a party capital of South Africa, if I can say that, because we have so many famous musicians coming from Durban's finest, if I can say that. So we're looking forward to a flamboyant festive season. Are you looking forward to some activities, festivals, a lot of activity and functions this time of year?
Well, Durban will be booming during this period of the year, and therefore people must come to Durban to enjoy. We'll be having, as always, our annual events that are going to be taking place here, like the beach parties, and again there will be the Durban Jazz Festival, which is coming on the 26th, and therefore I'm sure that people will be flocking to Durban to enjoy themselves with their friends and families. Please come to Durban, enjoy yourself, and you'll be safe.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayor. Well, there you have it. You heard mechanisms have been put in place to ensure your safety. Every 5 minutes, the mayor is promising that you will see a law enforcement official. The roads have been well taken care of as well. Some very handy advice on how you can stay safe on the roads and also in the sea. I can't believe people are out there swimming as we speak because the weather is awful, if I can say that. But the festivity is high and the atmosphere is also booming with excitement. Every now and again, somebody waving hello to the mayor and the Morning Live team. But Phil, I understand that it's not going to be clearing up anytime soon. Give us the bad